Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Please take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Shreya Singhal.
Yes, sir.
मुझे नहीं किया आपने गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning, sir.
बैठ जाए,
इतने सारे करने की जरूरत नहीं इसलिए कर रहा हूँ
एक दफ़े ही करिए बस,
Okay, sir.
2 दफ़े चेयरपर्सन को और सबको देखिए एंड देन गुड मॉर्निंग मैडम ऐसा करिए. Shreya, you are a chemical engineer
Yes, sir.
and you have opted for political science.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, because chemical engineering doesn't figure in the list of
Yes, sir.
civil
This is one of
service.
the reasons.
Tell me, is there any treaty which probably India is not signing about the manufacturing of chemical weapons? Something is there, There is a ban on the manufacturing of chemical weapons.
Yes, sir. There is a Chemical Weapons Convention which India has ratified, sir.
India has started?
India has ratified that convention.
Ratified?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, ठीक है, that's very good. So, but many countries are going ahead with the manufacture of chemical weapons.
Yes, sir. It has been alleged that countries like Russia, they are still using some prohibited chemical substances, sir.
Okay. I will ask you very short questions and I expect short answers. Since you belong to chemical engineering, chemistry, all these are related. We have been using sanitizers because of the pandemic. Do you know the composition of sanitizers? What chemicals are used there?
Yes, sir. Sir, primarily the main component of sanitizer is alcohol, sir. Ethylene
Alcohol
glycol.
means ethyl alcohol.
Yes, sir. And sir, remaining for the aroma effect, we use aroma agents. Then glycerine is there for moisturizing effects, sir.
And what else? Glycerin is for moisturizing.
Yes, sir.
Achha. And what about glycol?
Yes, sir. Sir, it comes under the wider category of alcohols only, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay. What are antioxidants?
Sir, antioxidants are those substances that remove the oxidizing agents from our body or from any chemical process. For example, oxidants, they decompose our cells and they are a part of our natural system, but if we have excess of oxidants, then we would need antioxidants. They come from fruit peels, they come from beverages such as tea and coffee, and they have an anti-aging effect on our body, sir.
Anti-aging effect.
Yes, sir.
And what are free radicals? They are neutralized by this. What is
Yes,
that?
sir. So free radicals are reactive molecules which are present in a substance, or for example in human body, that are more prone to react, sir.
So we should not have free radicals. We should use antioxidants to get rid of them.
Sir, free radicals are also a part of our normal biological processes. We should not have excess of free
Excess of
radicals.
Okay. Now, about political science is your paper, India is trying to enter into United Nations Security Council, and it is also trying to get into nuclear suppliers group, but it's failing on both the counts.
Yes.
Obviously because of China's
Yes, sir. One of the reason is because of China's.
So how do you see the future of India becoming a permanent member of Security Council?
Sir, as a country, India has very very great credentials to become a permanent member of United Nations Security Council. However, sir, given the stringent procedure of amendment of the United Nations Charter and also the issues which are being raised by the permanent members of the Security Council, it is a difficult path. But because India is echoing its demand at various international platforms, I think that in the not in near future, but in the far future, we may see a permanent seat for India, sir.
Okay. You come from Uttar Pradesh.
Yes.
Uttar Pradesh has made laws for religious conversion, particularly in the case of love jihad, marriage between girl and then boy, and then girl converting herself into Muslim. What do you think of that?
Sir, in my opinion, sir, right to marriage is a part of Article 21, which gives right to liberty to all the citizens. And once a person is adult, that is above 18 years old, the state as well as all the society should trust their wisdom and their own decision in choosing the life partner whichever they choose. Sir.
That means, are we overreacting to the issue or hyping the issue?
Sir, in a way, yes, because various agencies, for example, the National Intelligence Agency, they have said that there have been no such documented cases of love jihad in the country, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
When is your interview in UPSC?
Sir, it's on 17th September.
20th?
17th September.
17th. Okay, thank you.
The candidate actually who came recently,
Yes, sir.
you people are from the same
Yes, sir.
institute.
Sir,
So
yes.
his interview is also on 17th.
Yes, sir.
Good. Last time also actually people came in a group. There were I think 3 of you people,
Yes, sir.
and their performance was also very good. Almost all of them performed very well. So very good. Achha, tell me why you want to join civil service?
Sir, I want to join civil services because of the diversity of career options that it provides. Also, the grassroots connect which I will have in the services. And lastly, sir, it will provide me a decent life for me and for my family, sir.
This is available in other professions also.
Yes, sir.
You will get more salary, I mean, considering your education. And once you get actually a good salary and good lifestyle, it takes care of other aspects also of the family.
Sir, the combination of all the 3 factors is maybe missing in other professions. For example, when I completed my internship in then called Kane India, I could use my technical knowledge and expertise in the field. However, I found that some of these aspects are missing. For example, connect with the grassroots, etc. Sir.
When you say connect with the grassroots,
Yes.
what exactly you want? Matlab, connect with the grassroots means what?
Sir, by this I mean that civil services will give me an opportunity to interact with all the stakeholders at the local level as well as in the government, and try to optimize and improve the efficiency of government schemes at the local level, sir.
So, as a civil servant, what you assume with whom you will be interacting at grassroots level, and in what role you will be interacting with the grassroots level people?
Sir, as a civil servant, sir, in various capacities, for example, like addressing the grievances of people.
Mean what capacity?
Sir, as a district magistrate, sir.
So, you will be addressing which grievance? There are so many elected people. Do you know actually in a district how many people are elected ones? The elected representatives, the number? Can you guess? Right from panchayat, then you see tehsil level panchayats, then local body, then Jila Parishad, and it
Yes,
is
sir.
actually they who interact with the people at grassroots level, not the bureaucrats.
Yes, sir. Sir, to the best of my knowledge, I think that I will play the role of coordinating with all these departments, and also if need arises and if I have to interact with the public, then in that case, sir.
Okay, we accept it. But tell me, we have a constitution. What has changed? We have to amend the constitution more than 100 times. Why actually? What has changed?
Sir, a constitution is an organic document. At the time of formulation, even our forefathers, even our independent forefathers, they envisaged it, and that is the reason why there was a provision of amendment being kept into the constitution. and with the time there are new ideas, there are new requirements of the society. For example, requirement for the reservation for economically weaker sections, which the government felt. Then reservations, for example, the Panchayati Raj reservations, which it was felt that it was needed to bring a constitutional amendment to put an institutionalized structure into place. So as the time proceeds, sir, as and when requirements are felt to improve the governance structure of the society.
Important features of the constitution will remain intact
Yes, sir.
as per theory given by the Supreme Court, the basic structure.
Yes, sir.
So you will not be touching those important aspects. So I mean you will be addressing the other aspects in the constitution which are other than the basic structure.
So within the basic structure also there are many minor elements. The basic structure, for example, it addresses the major concept, for example, federalism, parliamentary system. But within these broader terms also there are some minor issues.
What changes you require actually you feel are necessary in the federal structure?
Yes, sir. So in the federal system, we need changes. For example, as recommended by the Sarkaria and Punchi Commission, there are changes needed in the appointment of governor to enable smooth functioning of the state and the center government. Secondly, sir, there are also changes required in the financial decentralization. Some of these changes have been brought in by the GST Act, and yes, sir. And thirdly, sir, there are also changes necessary in amending the various subjects which are put in the 7th schedule. For example, the disaster management, it is not there in any of the list in the 7th schedule. So these new subjects have to be included into the 7th schedule to enable more coordinated federalism, sir.
Okay.
You are already a civil servant?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. You are awaiting some result. What is that?
Sir, due to some issue in my certificate last year, my result was withheld by the UPSC.
Is that sorted out now?
No, sir. The issue is pending in the court, sir.
In the court?
Yes, sir.
So, are you expecting it to be in your favor? I am sure.
Sir, the Central Administrative Tribunal as well as the High Court has given the issue in our favor. However, the Commission went ahead to the Supreme Court, and we are awaiting hearing for the issue, sir. Sir, in the issue, we submitted the EWS certificate at a later date, sir.
Okay. How bad it is. I mean, the government and the government institutions, they are the biggest litigant, right?
Yes, sir.
High Court ne kar diya, Tribunal ne kar diya. Why rush to Supreme Court?
Sir, the Commission is fearing that it might set a precedent for future such cases, for example, in other reservation cases.
Good precedents must be set up. If the case and the cause is right, then why not?
Sir.
It's a day to remember Phulan Devi. Who's Phulan Devi?
Sir, I have heard her name. I'm not exactly able to recall. She's a woman activist, female social worker. Sir, I'm not able to recall other.
When people heard her name some years ago, they were scared. They were scared of her. The most dreaded dacoit, female dacoit, and then MP also later. Is she from UP? Any idea?
Sir, as far as I remember, I have seen a movie on her
Yes.
by Madhuri Dixit. Yes, and she is
Madhuri
from
Dixit.
the. I'm sorry, sir. I'm only able to recall this.
Anyway, we've been through a very serious oxygen crisis as a nation in COVID phase 2. Yeah. What are some primary sources of oxygen?
So the primary source of oxygen is air.
Air?
Then, sir, the medical grade oxygen that we use in the hospitals or in the industries, the industrial grade oxygen, that is manufactured by the oxygen plants, sir.
Mhm. Is it the air or the water?
Sir, both are the sources of oxygen.
Which one would you put the first?
Sir, if we consider the cost effectiveness and
No. Which one you put as the first source of oxygen? We are not talking of the medical oxygen and things like industrial oxygen.
Sir, I would put oxygen that can be obtained from water first, sir.
Water first. And how is it that the ocean water is supposed to have more oxygen?
As compared to, sir?
As compared to other water? The underground water, the rainwater?
So the ocean water has to support various marine animals, so it has a higher amount of dissolved oxygen in it, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what is the government recently announced a policy. Our senior colleague here was asking you about the battery manufacturing. The government of India announced policy with incentives for manufacturers on the battery manufacturing, because our dependence on countries like what is
Sir, for lithium-ion batteries, China is the global player, sir.
and
So United States is also a major player. Other than
Korea.
that, yes, sir. South Korea.
Okay, what are the incentives? Some, if you can recall, that should promote the indigenous manufacturing of ion batteries.
Yes, sir. So some of the incentives can be tax in terms of tax benefits, increasing the import duties on batteries.
Not theoretical, can be nahi. What have been announced by the government?
Sir, I'm sorry, I'm not able to recall the exact incentives.
Okay, last question. As President of the Security Council, India, are we President of the Security Council?
Yes, sir. For this month, sir, we have been recently elected as the president.
Okay, without asking you why this month and why not next month, can we produce something substantial on Afghanistan out of Security Council?
Yes, sir. India has high stakes in Afghanistan, and one of the agendas of India's presidency in the Security Council is the situation in Afghanistan. And as the president of Security Council, India is better placed to coordinate the situation in Afghanistan with other Security Council members, for example, the United States of America, China, and Russia also, sir.
So, is it likely to be a simple resolution only, or some plan to deal with Afghanistan?
Sir, a simple resolution is not likely to work in Afghanistan given the complex situation. So, I believe that India is preparing some plan in coordination with the other members. For example, in terms of pressurizing Taliban to cease violence, supporting the Afghanistan government to tackle the Taliban offensive, and also improving the developmental aid to the countries.
It's a good answer, but don't you think that superpowers and United Nations have kind of given up on Afghanistan?
Sir, the recent Taliban offensive has put a lot of concerns in the situation. However, sir, the superpowers cannot afford to give up on the situation. Because, for example, China, the Afghan militancy can restart the insurgency in Uyghur province. Also, if the Taliban
Why militancy? Taliban, if they come into power, they form a government and run the country like any other country is being run. Where is the militancy then? Is the question whether Taliban comes into power or they stay outside power. Their coming into power would seem to be a better option.
Yes, sir. Initially, when the United States was negotiating with Taliban, the Taliban said that they would come into power peacefully. However, the recent days' events have shown that Taliban is not willing to give up violence.
Until they come into power. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Shreya.
Thank you, sir.
Shreya, Vedanta, oil and gas.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are the concerns which transnational gas pipeline, oil pipeline is facing? Indian concerns.
Indian concerns about transnational oil pipelines.
Which are the countries through which it passes? First,
Ma'am, are you speaking about some specific oil pipeline?
we have very limited oil pipelines which are transnationals.
Yes, ma'am. Some of the concerns that India is facing is the political instability in those countries.
Which country?
Ma'am, primarily the Middle East. Then in the IN.
The pipeline starts from where?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'll read more about this issue.
Okay. You were talking, when you were talking in the context of constitution, you were talking on policy of reservation, and you come from Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the caste census has been an issue in the news recently. Do you think it is appropriate to have a caste census?
Yes, ma'am. It is appropriate to have a caste census because at this moment we are using the data of 1931 caste census, and in order to make our reservations or in order to target our welfare schemes in a better way, and also in order to study the socio-economic status of various castes, such census is necessary, ma'am.
So you support the reservation policy?
Yes, ma'am. In a proportionate manner, I support it.
For how long?
Ma'am, the reservation policy should be should be regularly monitored, as well as its outcomes should be documented in a scientific manner. It should continue for so long as we are not able to bring the last person in the line to the centers, to the mainstreams.
That would be in perpetuity.
Yes, ma'am. It is a possibility that it could continue in perpetuity, but as the Supreme Court has also pointed out, we should try to expand our reservation, the people who are getting the benefit of reservation, to include all the vulnerable sections, and at the same time exclude the people who have come out of that socio-economic status.
Okay. So you are suggesting an amendment to that, as to those who have already come above the poverty line, they should be excluded, and then so that the benefits percolate further down and
Yes,
not kind of taken away by the people who already have benefited.
Yes, ma'am.
That is what you are saying. Okay. Now, what is your view whether prostitution should be legally allowed or not? Because Uttar Pradesh, I won't say a state, but pockets of Nawabs, you know.
Ma'am, in my opinion, given the socio-economic context, socio-economic background of our country, and also the societal context, it should not be made legal, ma'am. Because if it is made legal, it will open new avenues for exploitation of, especially the females, especially belonging to the poorer sections of the society.
How would then that be exploitation? We are legalizing it.
Ma'am, on the paper it will be legalizing the prostitution, but it will provide a moral sanction to such activities, and especially when we see that in most of the cases, the girls who are entering into such profession, it is not out of their free will, rather it is out of some or other compulsion, ma'am.
Okay. The last question. Is UN relevant today?
Yes, ma'am. UN is very much relevant today. Given the global issues, the global challenges that we are facing, from counter-terrorism to climate change, also UN is relevant as a platform for all the countries to come together and negotiate and arbitrate their disputes. And thirdly, UN is very much relevant for development of entire globe. For
In
example,
its present format, it is relevant, you feel?
In the present format, ma'am, there are some issues with the United Nations from its lack of finances to the format of Security Council, etc. And we need certain reforms to make it more relevant in the present times, ma'am.
You believe in the veto power?
Ma'am, the veto power was
Because the blocks are changing. The power blocks are changing.
Ma'am, the veto power was initially introduced to safeguard the interest of USSR, which was suspicious of the other countries using the Security Council to forward their agendas. In the present times, ma'am, the veto power has emerged as a major blockade in resolving.
Stumbling block.
Yes, ma'am, a stumbling block. However, ma'am, if we see in practical terms, it is very difficult to make the countries agree to give up on that veto power. So the better way forward will be to expand the veto power, and also the proposal which has been given by France that countries should abstain from using veto powers in cases of genocide and war, etc. Ma'am.
But do you think voluntarily it comes?
Ma'am, it is difficult, but then France has gathered more than 90 votes in the support of its proposal, including that of India. So yes, we can hope for a better veto power, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shreya, some questions on, I think you had enough questions on government and UN and policy and this and that. Let's talk about Kathak.
Yes, sir.
How long you been learning?
Sir, it is only, I have started learning only recently in January 2021, sir.
Okay, so my questions will be simple then. How did the word Kathak originate?
Sir, the word Kathak comes from the Hindi word Katha, which
Okay.
means a story. Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah.
So the Kathak, the dance of Kathak is used to convey a story to its audience using very intricate footwork, very delicate expressions, and quick swirls.
What is the main theme of the Kathas? Very frequently occurring theme.
So these themes vary from gharana to gharana. For
Very
example,
well.
the Lucknow gharana
Excellent. All right.
has themes like Radha Krishna. The Jaipur gharana has themes of war, and the Benares gharana has more spiritual themes. Sir.
You have preempted my third question. So 3 gharanas are there. All right. Now an intricate one. What is the difference between Kathak and other forms, classical forms?
Yes, sir. So, some of the differences, for example, between Kathak and Bharatnatyam is, one major difference is the way ghungroos are used. In Kathak, ghungroos are used both as an ornament as well as an instrument.
Okay.
While in Bharatnatyam, they are used only as an ornament and not as an instrument.
What is the other difference?
Yes, sir. So, the other difference is in Kathak,
Main difference.
we never bend our knees, sir. However, in Bharatnatyam, the knees are always in a bent form, sir.
All right. What is the difference as far as the footwork is concerned?
I'm sorry, sir, I'm not able to
Okay.
recall.
What is Tatkar?
Yes, sir. So the tatkar is the basic footwork that we do in Kathak. It is often at the end of the performance, sir.
And what is the most common tal on which Kathak is performed?
Sir, it is the teen tal, sir.
How many matras are there?
So there are 16 matras in it.
Okay. Can you tell the bowl?
Yes, sir. Ta thai thai tat, a thai, ta thai thai tat, a thai thai tat. This is one bowl, which is used in informal context.
Okay.
In the formal context, we use dha dhin dhin dha, na tin tin ta, taka dhin dhin da.
So which one is khali?
Dha dhin dhin da. Takka dhin dhin da is khali.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Shreya, it has been a very interesting interaction we had with you. Now
you, sir.
your mock interview is over.
Okay.
Now I would request you to kindly wait for a couple of minutes. We'll call you back for a feedback.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Shreya, We are all impressed by your performance.
Thank you,
It's
sir.
Not the Kathak performance.
well, we want to see your Kathak performance also.
Sir, I
Anyway, you will be ready. Supposing the interview board asks you for to perform
Sir, I am
steps.
preparing one rag on Kathak performance on one rag, and hopefully by the time I give my interview,
Which rag is that?
Sir, Rag Rageshwari by
Rag
Ustad
Rageshwari.
Vilayat Khan.
Rageshwari.
Yes.
Mr. Vilayat Khan.
Yes.
सितारे
स्टार्ट
से।
का राग है?
Sorry, sir.
कौन से थाट में आता है?
Sir, ये I have to check it, sir. Sir, my teacher recommended me to pair on this.
Rageshwari.
You are already a civil servant. This is what we all feel, you know. But there are a few points we would like to share with you, just to better your performance.
Yes.
Not with a view to finding fault with your performance. It's perfectly okay. But some things we have seen. My first advice to you about your sari.
Okay.
Sari you are wearing on that day also.
Yes, sir.
So pink is not a color that goes with the formal occasion, serious occasion in UPSC.
Sir, I have a peacock color sari. The cap slightly light color than the cap of this bottle,
Okay.
water bottle.
Yeah.
अच्छा
Is
It's
that
plain
the
Last
साड़ी?
sari?
time, yes, sir.
Plain
Last,
साड़ी
yes,
ना?
sir.
हाँ. और लाइट कलर हो सकता है?
Sir, or light color. Then I'll
Off white
have
है
to-
कोई?
ऑफ वाइट मैं समझता हूँ कि बेस्ट कलर होगा.
Sir, off white
That
last
is a
time.
UPSC साड़ी.
Yes, sir. Last time, but I felt कि whenever I wear lighter sarees, मेरा confidence थोड़ा मतलब
खत्म हो
इधर
जाता
हो
है.
जाता है. For example, this pink साड़ी also, I feel कि confidence level बहुत अच्छा नहीं होता है. But अगर थोड़ा सा dark हो shade तो I
अच्छा,
think कि
अच्छा,
confidence.
चलिए.
It's all right.
ठीक है. हो
So
सकता है.
confidence is more important.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. It's
My
okay.
little understanding says that formal location is important, but जो overall complexion है उसके साथ color साड़ी का जो ये चुना है ये this would be the best. I mean
Yes,
personal.
sir. One of the reason.
Yeah,
Yes. sir.
yeah.
Light color.
Yes, sir.
Plain.
Yes, sir. Plain saree.
And
So
not
both
silk
of
sari but cotton sari.
Cotton silk mix.
Mixed.
somewhat.
Khadi
Yes,
silk
sir.
or whatever.
Yes.
Even this color is complementing your skin tone.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
So you can just have a look before the mirror. Mirror will speak the best.
Yes, sir.
Second thing is about your hairdo.
Yeah.
Your hairstyle is something which is disturbing.
Okay.
It doesn't suit us. Normally we advise people not to show their loose hairs to the board. It is prohibited and it doesn't give a good impression. You are very simple, no ornamentations, nothing. Continue with that. But here you tie in the form of a knot at the back,
Yes.
ponytail or whatever you call it. तो ऐसे जो दिखा रहे हैं ना वो बहुत ख़राब लगता है ना. No loose hair. अच्छा, eye contact also you must keep moving. At times you fix your eye contact with one person.
Yes.
Please look at others also once in a while. Fleeting glance देते जाइए, उनको भी involve करिए और
Yes.
बिल्कुल stress में मत जाइए. I have a feeling that you get stressed out very easily. वो stress में मत जाइए. You will perform very well. This is our belief. तो आप किसी क्वेश्चन का अगर आंसर नहीं दे पाती हैं तो घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Yes.
नहीं दे पाती तो कह दीजिए आई एम सॉरी सर, आई डू नॉट नो. बट डोंट गिव ए ब्लफिंग आंसर, नो मिसलीडिंग
Yes, sir.
आंसर, वो आप
Yes.
अवॉइड करिए. और कभी कभी आप बहुत फास्ट बोलती हैं. आई डोंट नो, अदर मॉक्स माइट हैव ऑल्सो,
Yes, sir.
है ना. तो फास्ट स्पीकिंग इज नॉट प्रॉपर. When you speak fast, you tend to become a little monotonous. That monotonous is boring.
Yes.
तो स्लो बोलिए, कम बोलिए और आहिस्ता से, मतलब स्लो स्पीड से बोलिए, तो इट विल improve your performance further and further. और you support reservation policy per se.
Yes, sir.
That was something which is, why can't you be balanced in your approach?
Sir, I was trying to be balanced when I said that.
You don't belong to reserve category.
Sir, I belong to the
EWS.
EWS category.
Achha, EWS is something
Yes,
different. It is not reserve category. It is economically weaker section.
Yes.
But when you talk of reservations, you refer to SC, ST, OBC. OBC issue is again raising its head in
Yes,
Uttar
sir.
Pradesh particularly. तो अगर आपको EWS को ही करना है तो ठीक है. आप, मेरा ख्याल तो है पर्सनली, आप per se you say I don't like reservation. It should be confined only to the people from the BPL category, or some benchmark must be there. Financial benchmarking is very important. लेकिन ये नहीं कि आपने SC ST को दे दिया, then you forget about the, and you have talked about no assessment. You say we should control it and all that. See, 70 years on, no impact assessment study has been made.
Yes.
Baba Ambedkar said, do it only for 10 years. Now we have continued for 7 decades. So ये तो गलत बात है ना. And
Yes.
the amount of
नहीं सर, इसमें
सक्सेना जी उसमें पढ़ने जैसा नहीं है, उसका मैं रीजन बताऊं आपको.
steer clear of it.
You see, उसमें क्या है?
नहीं, मैं बोलने के लिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ.
नहीं
हाँ.
नहीं,
नहीं,
उसमें
sir,
क्या है? Whatever are the constitutional provisions
Best
and
answer.
government policy,
Yes, sir.
your answer actually has to be in consonance with
Consonance
that,
with that.
and your approach is right. You see what Saxena ji is telling, which is actually when you appreciate the other side also. But some members may be very sensitive about
Yes,
it.
yes,
Yes,
yes, yes.
So
Very
this
much.
policy is much safer to
Much better.
because you are not annoying anyone.
You
Yes.
go in by
By
constitution.
going by the constitution, you are not annoying anyone.
Yes, sir.
But balance रखिए.
Yes, sir.
You can give
See,
the other
many
side also,
people
but
are getting-
your stand is
Okay.
good because
No
you are
extreme-
with the constitution.
I stand corrected.
Yes, yes.
But make a balanced approach.
Yes, sir.
Don't ignore the people who have been
you
left
can
out.
always say, yeah,
Balanced approach is always
Yes,
better.
going into constitution.
एकदम
However, course correction scope is always there.
Yes, sir.
Limited
I-
answer.
Yes, sir.
And,
Achha,
and when actually you say that course correction, it means you are assuming that it will be only related to creamy layer concept which is in the OBC.
Yes.
Taking care of the communities which are left out in that particular category.
Yes.
So making it as a balance amongst all the communities in that category of caste,
Yes.
but not about touching actually that and taking it out. So
I'm not
हाँ.
asking for that.
Okay.
That you ignore it. Course correction, if you want, you have
Yes.
to make a study of that.
Yes,
But no
sir.
study. That is my complaint.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
whatever you say, it is your wisdom. But you have to make a study. No formal impact assessment study of the reservation policy has been made during the past 70 years. That is my grievance.
sir.
इसको आप जिस तरह से करिए, don't go.
Sir, I'll make a
आप
more
समझ रहे हैं ना? But
refined
balance
answer.
approach रखिए
Yes,
अपना.
sir.
मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि आप SC ST को हटा दीजिए, but at least
More nuanced reply.
Yes, sir.
Not walking into the minefield.
Yes.
आप
That's
इसको
it.
मतलब extreme view मत लीजिए, balance रखिए. Don't ignore people who are from these categories, who are not getting benefits.
Yes.
Maybe just add a line that concerns have been raised in a
Yes.
section on the reservation policy. There is, demand from the unreserved sections now.
Yes, ma'am.
That kind of a statement you can make.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, एक आप बिकॉज केमिकल इंजीनियर हैं तो वन क्वेश्चन विच कुड बी आस्क्ड टू यू इज अबाउट द हाउ डू यू ट्रीट द इंडस्ट्रियल एफ्लुएंट्स विच आर
Yes.
पोल्यूटिंग आवर रिवर्स. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं विच बिकॉज केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग के साथ जाता है.
Yes.
व्हाट इज द ट्रीटमेंट प्रोसेस,
Yes.
है ना, उसमें क्या क्या केमिकल्स यूज होते हैं, उसमें आपको
Yes, sir. I'll study about.
यू नो इट एंड देन
Yes,
थोड़ा
sir.
उसको
Mhm.
वो कर लीजिए.
I had a related question which I didn't ask because of time. Chemicals in agriculture.
Okay.
Because that is a
Fertilizer.
huge issue now, desertification of
Yes, ma'am.
agricultural land. So they are seeping into water, that is going into the groundwater, that is becoming a challenge. So that can also be a related question.
Yes, ma'am. I'll prepare.
Look into that.
Yes.
Any questions from you?
Sir, I have one small doubt, sir. In my service preferences, I have filled revenue services as my
Yes.
second choice.
IPS, IFS is
IFS
Yes,
is
sir.
5. Huh?
fourth and fifth. So yeah, you have
What
to
is
prepare
the
for that.
real reason?
So the real reason is last time I filled police service under some of my peer pressure, but frankly speaking, I personally do not wish to join the police services.
Okay.
So
It's a
that is-
perfectly legitimate
because I
answer.
feel my personality will not go along the service requirements.
Requirement. It's perfect.
Why you should be prepared for the why, the supplementaries.
Yeah, yeah.
If I say this statement, will it reflect negatively on me?
Not really.
No, but you should have actually good justification.
Yeah, yeah.
That is good enough. I mean, personally,
Personal choice.
not keen on this thing. That is a good enough reason.
A good self-assessment,
Yeah.
and it's all right.
Choice है आपकी. You have been given an option, so you have given option. That's all.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So revenue
foreign
at two?
services, yes, sir. So foreign services I can easily justify because given my background in a small town, or I do not want to live the most part of my life in a foreign country. So that is one reason. I feel it is justified enough. But for revenue services, I was a bit scared.
But even in IAS, you can be deputed
Yes,
to
so
work
sir,
in a
that
foreign
is
country.
for deputation for a small time. But in foreign services, if I have to make some meaningful contribution,
But
I
are
have
you
to.
aware that in foreign service, if you choose to stay in India, you can stay in India only?
Yes, sir. But then the service actually we are
Charm
not.
is lost.
Yeah.
You know, the
Yes, sir.
attraction is lost.
Yes, sir.
But there is a considerable amount of flexibility in foreign service.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Unless you apply to FSB, Foreign Service Board, you are not considered for foreign service for posting abroad.
But sir, if one joins foreign services and doesn't get
No,
posted.
what I
in
mean to say, you have a
FSB.
choice. I'm just giving you additional inputs.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So, any other doubt?
No, sir.
Acha, one thing about your greeting, you
Yes, sir.
greeted each one of us individually, that is not correct. And then in the process, you forgot our senior friends.
I'm sorry, sir.
So you wish only the chairperson, good morning, sirs, then look at the others also, then good morning, madam.
Okay.
And if the madam happens to be chairperson, good morning, madam. पहले chairperson को ही करना है,
Yes, sir.
and then good morning, sirs. उसके बाद
Okay.
करें. ये आप याद
individual.
इंडिविजुअल नहीं करना, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Sir,
No.
I got a bit confused. Actually, I was wishing you first, then I was wishing ma'am, and then other sirs I was wishing. So वो आकर
Only
थोड़ा
two is
confusion.
sufficient.
It is not required actually
Yeah.
to greet everyone.
Okay, sir.
Chairman plus if there is a woman.
Lady.
Lady.
That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And Rageshwari is in Khamaj That.
Khamaska. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
there are
I'll
10
read
thoughts.
more about it, sir.
10 Thats, Khamaj.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Any questions
Very
on
good.
your
No,
side?
sir.
और कोई
Okay,
आपका
ma'am.
डाउट है कुछ?
No, sir.
I have a few suggestions.
Yes, ma'am.
Read at least 2 papers in the run up to your interview,
Yes, ma'am.
including the day of the interview. Watch some of the online videos, so they will kind of help you overcome time constraint. Quick short formats, they'll give you answers to a lot of current affairs, foreign relation kind of issues.
Yes, ma'am.
One is Cut the Clutter,
Yes, ma'am.
Shekhar Gupta, you know already.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So
I
Hasini had
see that.
Hindu and print. Okay.
Yes.
That is
And how many more mocks to go?
I think, ma'am, I'll give 2 or 3 mocks because I have some time. So, if there is no mock, then I don't study that much. So these are like incentives for me to get
Okay.
prepared.
But does it
and
give
study.
you more confidence by attending more mocks?
Yes, sir. As I see my performance in previous mocks, I feel there is always an element of improvement, and so I think it is going
Very
good.
Shreya, since you have indicated revenue service, prepare a GST
Yes, sir.
in all its aspects.
Okay, sir.
Why it was brought in, how it is progressing, what is the scope for the improvement. These 3 aspects.
Yes, sir.
There can be a question on GST,
Yes, sir.
And
Surely.
faceless
Thank you.
assessment.
Yes, sir.
Faceless assessment also.
income tax.
Yes, sir. I'll prepare on it, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
All the best.
All the
Thank
best.
you, sir.
Thank you.
An academy. Let's crack it.